Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a tutorial on how I got this ponytail with two bangs. So first I'm starting off with water and I'm spraying my hair down, and then I'm using my Wetline Xtreme Gel to slick my hair up. And then along with that I'm using my hard bristle brush. And then I already kind of like prepped my hair into this hairstyle. I pulled out the two pieces of hair in the front and braided it. And then I also had my hair in a ponytail, but my scarf fell off during the night. So I'm just coming back on here and I'm slicking my hair back some more so it can be completely smooth. And then I'm putting my hair up into a ponytail, and then I'm gonna wrap it around into a bun. And then I'm using this drawstring ponytail. I've used this multiple times in different videos. So it just has the clips and then the drawstring. So I'm just taking that, clipping the two clips to the base of my bun, and then I'm taking the drawstring and pulling it, and then I wrap the drawstring around the base of the ponytail. And then I'm taking a piece of hair from the back and I'm just wrapping that around the base of the ponytail. The little yellow tag was still showing, but I didn't go anywhere with this hairstyle, so it wasn't too important that was showing. But obviously, if you're going somewhere, you need to make sure it's covered up, and yeah. And so this is how my ponytail is looking. Moving on to my edges, I went ahead and used my Gorilla Snot, and I'm using my edge brush and doing my edges. I do have an edge tutorial on my channel already. If you want to watch that after this, you can. But yeah. So when I got done with the edges, this is how it's looking. So the two pieces of hair in the front, I did braid them the night before and they are dry now, so I'm just taking those out. You can leave them in if you want to, just to have like two braids in the front instead of the just hair, the bangs. But I wanted to unbraid it, and the only reason that I braided it was so that it could match the ponytail a little bit better. How the texture of the ponytail is versus like my hair is a different texture. So, and I didn't want to wet those two pieces, so I just decided to braid them up. And then I'm taking some more of that Gorilla Snot, and then I'm using that to kind of smooth over the two pieces of hair. It was a little bit frizzy, so I did that. And so this is how the hairstyle is looking. I went ahead and added makeup on and everything, got glammed up, and so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!